Let's stamp out some elliptical forms out of a morph. Okay, I have a normal morph. If I click on it, I get the possibility to draw something out of it. So I would like to do it with an elliptical form. I just make a new section in front of it in the same direction than the face of the morph is. So I go to this, and now I see it. And now I make a normal circle, an elliptical one. This one, for example. I can put it anywhere and make it directly in the view. So then I take morph, I draw morphs, and take it with the big bar and duplicate it with a morph line. So this one and this one in 3D. This is exact on the plane where the section was. So if I take this and draw it, I can draw it directly to here. So now I just connect both, right click where nothing else is situated, I put it together, and if I now stamp in, I can do this or this. Okay, have fun with it.